So if you are seeing the access denied error on ChatGPT, or even if you are seeing the ChatGPT is not available in your country error, in both the cases the solution is common. If you are seeing the access denied error, it means that ChatGPT is not available in your country, and that error is because of the country restrictions, and ChatGPT is not available in the country you are living. So we'll talk about the solution in this video. In both the cases, your problem will be 110% will be solved. I'll share with you two different techniques to handle this issue. And let's move towards the first solution, and that is you have to go to Google and type in there try RDP and hit enter. And the very first website which appears up here is tryrdp.com. You have to click on that, and here you can see the RDP. Now let me first of all explain a little bit that what is an RDP. An RDP is a remote desktop protocol, means it is another computer residing in another country, and you can control that computer and work on that computer using your laptop or your desktop residing in your lab and at your home. So if you get this RDP, you will get a remote connection of another computer residing in another country in which ChatGPT is available. So in this way, you will be able to run ChatGPT without any interruption. Now this method is a little bit paid, but it's not so much expensive. Let me show you. You have to first of all tap on shared RDP, and here you will see the prices, which is $5.99 per month. And when you choose this plan and you buy this RDP number 1, you will be given the access to remote computer for 1 month. They will give you an IP address, a username and a password, and you have to go to your computer and type in here remote desktop connection, and the IP that they will give you, you have to enter that here. Next you have to enter the username and the password, and you will be connected to that computer, so you will be able to access ChatGPT in that remote desktop computer. So this was the method number 1. You have to buy an RDP for $6 per month. But the limitation with this method is if you buy any of the RDP around there on the internet, and you will only be able to run that RDP only on desktop or laptop, and you will not be able to use ChatGPT in your mobile. So moving towards the second method, let me tell you that if you implement the second method, then you will be able to access ChatGPT even in your mobile device or tablet or any other device that you want. So what is the method number 2? Now, as I told you that you are seeing the access denied error or the country error because of the country restrictions. As ChatGPT is not available in your country, that's why you are not able to access it. The first method that I shared with you is paid method for $6 per month. But in the second method, if you have a ChatGPT account made from any of the country in which ChatGPT is available, then you will be able to open that account and access ChatGPT without any limitation in your mobile and your country as well. Let me repeat. If any of your friend or anyone is living in the country in which ChatGPT is available, you can ask that friend or relative to make an account for you, so you can log in that account in your mobile or your desktop. And if they are not available, I can do it for you if you contact me on Instagram just for $3. Means I will make an account of ChatGPT from my country, which will be 100% yours for lifetime, and you don't have to pay monthly like you pay in this method. And when you will get that account, you will be able to log in that account into your mobile and your desktop or laptop or any of the device that you want. That account will be 100% yours. I have worked with many clients and I have made many accounts already. If you have trust issues, you need not to worry, because I will first give you the account, and if it starts working for you and if it gets logged in for you, then payment will be the second step. This is the same as I did with my older clients. So first method is buying the RDP, and the second method is getting an account from the country in which ChatGPT is available. If you have any of the friend living there, you can ask them to do so. Otherwise, you can just give me $3 and I will create an account for you, which will be 100% yours. We will first test the account, then we will move towards payment. So that's how you fix the access denied or not available in your country error. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.